Hello everyone. Today I just want to share something with you all. So we all know that the country and the world is in a state of chaos. The second wave has got about a lot of change in everybody's life, and it has affected many families of our circle, uh, maybe our families as well, and even our known circles in a great manner. It has had a lot of effects. Uh, there are two guests, unwanted guests, that are lingering in the society today: stress, mental stress, anxiety, fear, whatever you call it to be. So, even my family was affected with coronavirus about 4 weeks back. A few of my family members were affected with it. So I just thought that I would share some pointers with the help of this video that helped us through uh, these days, through these turbulent times. We've already made a video. We've already taken a live session with Dr. Manju, who is my mom, on certain basic guidelines and how we can do's and don'ts and what we need to take care in these turbulent times. But apart from that, I just thought we'd share a personal experience of what helped us through. So first of all, when something like this happens, when somebody is not feeling well at home, or they've tested positive, there's a lot of stress and anxiety that lingers around, and a state of panic that lingers around, that how can this happen. The brain automatically, the mind automatically goes into a state of denial, that no, how can this happen to me. But actually what you need at that time is to stay calm, so that you can figure out what you can do next, how you can go about um, preventing it to others and stuff like that. So basically you need to accept the situation and think what to do next. And secondly, it's very natural to feel panic at this point of time, but what you really need is to actually calm down, because when you are fearful or when you are stressed, your immunity level reduces, and when the virus is around, you might have a tendency to catch it on really easily. So stay strong, accept the situation, and move on is something I really uh, took from this incident. And the second thing is that actually helped us a lot, not even kidding, a lot, is breathing practices, meditations, pranayams, the Sudarshan Kriya. Some of my family members have been practicing the Sudarshan Kriya from a very long time. So all these things really helped us. Art of Living and has launched COVID programs for people who are affected from COVID or who have already recovered, for as a post recovery, to enhance their recovery, as well as just as an immunity strengthening certain pranayams. I thought these workshops are really very effective. Please do go through them. I would be sharing the links and stuff, and you can also reach out to me for any kind of information. All these programs are free of cost, and they're really helpful. They really helped my family a lot. And also my family, half of them are meditators. They've been meditating since a long time, and half of them are on and off, or even first time meditators. So it really helped us. The whole family used to meditate together virtually, the ones who were positive and the ones who were not positive. We used to sit separately and meditate together virtually. It really brought in that positive energy in the house, which was very much needed that time. So this really shifted the way in which we think, the way in which the energy levels went around, and this was observed not only in adults or a particular age group. So we live in a joint family, and there are kids as young as 7 years, and adults who are old, people who are as old as 70 years. It really helped calm down the anxiety of even a 7-year-old kid. I've been volunteering with Art of Living since long time, and I knew breath can since 3 years, and breath and meditation can do magic. But I was surprised to see of how in seconds, through certain breathing techniques, even a 7-year-old anxiety can calm down. So anxiety, even if you are not a very anxious person by nature, anxiety is very natural in these times, and it just comes. So it really helped at that instant. And this is my personal request to all those who have done the Art of Living program and who've learned the Sudarshan Kriya. Please continue to practice it, and if you've lost touch, please get back in touch with the help of your friend or family or anybody, and just start practicing it again, because this really helped us going, like all of us. And one more important thing that at this time helped me very much personally is do something that you like. So either it may be dancing, find some time, half an hour maybe. It's a hectic time, hectic schedule, but do something you like, because that will keep you going. It will keep your mental and physical health going a long way through. And last but not the least, we when there's something like this happening at home or even in this society, we need to boost our immunity. So there are get in touch with your doctor, take your multivitamin tablets as prescribed. And another thing that I was taking during these times is there is an immunity kit by Shri Shri Tattva, and there are some tulsi drops and shakti drops, and there is this tablet called Kabasur Kudinir. It helps you in mild symptoms. You can take it along with your other medicines. Please get in touch with your doctor. I'm not a doctor, so I'm not prescribing the dosage and stuff. Please get in touch with Ayurvedic doctor or your doctor and find out. But this really helped me. All these things really helped me go a long way through. And yeah, I hope this situation comes to an end really soon. And stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye for now.